dream of the soft look your eyes had once given me, and the memories I still keep of the shadows deep. I will wonder how many loved your moments of glad embrace in the...
Do you believe this song was made by AI? Are you tired of letting your musical ideas go to waste? Well, with the help of AI, you can bring them to life in just a few clicks. Today I'll show you how to create not one, not two, but 4 amazing songs using a cutting-edge tool that's still in beta. This free AI song and music generator can create everything from music and vocals to lyrics and videos, and all with just one click. Whether you're into pop, hip-hop, cafe, or rock, this AI tool covers it all. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the video description for the URL and let's dive in. First things first, head to the Songar website and click the Try Songar app now button to open the AI song generator page. From there, you have the option to use your own lyrics, or you can create music with the help of ChatGPT and upload it here. With a maximum character limit of 750, this beta version makes it easy to generate lyrics that match your vision. But that's not all. This AI tool also has 2 AI vocalists to choose from. In this tutorial, we'll be using Emily's voice to bring our songs to life. Let's play pop music. Are you ready to hear some music?
She is the only one that can make me feel this way. I drown in her love every day, and I can't get enough. She is mid-rug, my high. I love Ocean Girl, and I never want to let her go.
Let's start another with a hip-hop song using a male AI singer titled "Die Will Destroy the World" for you with just a few clicks. We can generate an entire song that will blow your mind.
For you every day, you are my everything, and I love you, and I promise to always make you feel loved. You are the go.
Next up, let's create a love song with a relaxing cafe-style vibe. This AI tool makes it easy to create music that matches your desired genre, so you can focus on crafting the perfect lyrics.
I'll destroy the world for you, if that's what you want me to do. I'll kill every living thing, so you can be happy and sing. I'll start with the animals, they'll all be gone in a flash. Then I'll move on to the plants, they'll all be dead.
But we're not done yet. Let's finish off with a bang and create a rock-style music song that will have you headbanging in no time.
Will be only mine. My love for you is so divine. We'll be together all the time. You're the only one that I desire. You're the only one that I want. You're the only one that I need.
And there you have it, 4 amazing songs created with the help of AI. With just a few clicks, you can download the audio and video files and share them with the world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future AI tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.